Okay, I think we're back. So, yep. Let's, copy video URL, go to Discord. New stream is back online with second version 8.1. Alrighty, so we are back, I think, for now at least. We is back. And preview. Oh, I know why. Oh wait, do I know why? It would be awfully rude. Yeah, I think it was in preview full, maybe.
Oh wait, you have some tracks.
No, that's some bad frame droppage there. So no. Go ahead. Do this part of the video thing here. Got some of this thing here. Yo, what's up? I don't know how long we're gonna be staying here. Maybe we'll go for like half an hour until like, I don't know, 15:30 maybe. Yeah, 15 maybe. I don't know if I wanna do this stream for long. 3 seconds, I guess. Wait, do we already have a solid color? No, not really. What? Test solid color. Oops. I did it the wrong way. Yes, allow us to continue. We might be just editing here for like maybe a half hour, then we're gonna, I think we might mess with Windows XP virtual machine. Look how I make my 9x graphics, I guess. And other stuff. So, need the characters folder. All this stuff here. Or rather, we can place the voice clips down first. Roblox intensifies. Actually, yeah. Just make this 3D video, I guess. It's gonna be dialogue. Actually, character text box. Go back. Gonna hold. What we're gonna do here copy this text here. Copying. Oh, yeah, reaction windows there too. Okay.
Counter. Oof. Where am I?
Oh.
Oof.
I have to move this over here, I guess.
Where am I? I feel like I just had a close encounter. You have been placed in my quarantine. Who are you? I'm get me.
Alright, now this is the part that's different from the original. Oh, I also changed another part.
No can do, intruder. If anything, I'll either delete you or disarm, deactivate you. From there, you'll be eventually united with your siblings, but your programming will likely be different.
See, this text will receive a significant change here.
Will likely be different. Your programming will likely be different. You mean I'll be...
Yeah.
If you want... If you want to put it that way, yes. Over my...
This is the other part that was different.
Over my dead, unusable hardware. I challenge you to a game of cyber duel.
Yeah, so very similar in stuff.
Sorry. To a game of cyber duel. Sorry, but cyber duel is blocked in the quarantine.
And
Then I'll try.
Oh. They're in oddball fractional frames because I'm importing them from a 59.94 frame per second project, and this is 60 whole frames per second. S1E6 is. Yeah.
What do you think you're doing over?
Alright, we're gonna copy this thing here. Forgot this. Dialog blocks and group these. Let me see. Track group. That way we can collapse this when we're done with it. Paste that. It's Windows from Microsoft. Order today. Actually, we'll have that there. None of your business. I want to spend my last original programming moments in front of you. Fine. Put that there. Wait second. Aren't you Livy Jail supposed to be going? Wait second. Aren't you Livy Jail supposed to be going? Oh. Let's see what else is in the fraction frames, because there shouldn't be any. Yeah. Yep. These should be whole numbers with zeros there instead of these random numbers. And trimming the ends here so that they won't make the text spontaneously repeat itself. Might put on a reverb effect for Sam's lines here. Alright, time for reverb. Yay, for the metal tank.
Where am I?
Too strong.
Where am I? I feel like I just had a close encounter. You have been placed in my quarantine. Who are you?
It's on.
Where am I? I feel like I just had a close encounter. You have been placed in my quarantine. Who are you?
Alright, so we're gonna... what do we got here? We got a... wow. A full frame? Hold it... okay, we're gonna have to fix that, I guess. Yeah, this is why I don't want these things here, because whenever you get... well, you can't see it here, because if it happens to overlap here, then it repeats itself. It's not exactly what I want. Oh, whatevs. Right. This is stream 8.1 because the old stream had a big mistake. I made a big mistake in the old one. Hold it.
I murder.
Now we got reverb for Sam and the antivirus. What's our RAM usage? 92%. Strange. Let's see. Yeah, we need this. Copy. From event end. Hi. Still, they had multiple letters for the same thing there. It has its own keyboard shortcut there. I'm just going to start pasting them. And this is where the thing comes in. We got the backgrounds edited in.
In order.
I'm going to disconnect the DVD drive. Put it up somewhere else. I now have more desk real estate. Alright. Got some stuff set up here.
In order to run a command under administrator without a password, you must read some errors and signs.
Yellow.
Hey, what? Hey, what are you doing? I've said I want privacy. Fine.
Yes, I have watched Sonic X before. Okay, bye.
Privacy. Fine. Enabling privacy mode.
Actually, I should download import the backgrounds from here instead, because we got that. One big problem though, it's not gonna. Oh yes, I got it. Right, I got it on the dime. System restores not reacting to anything. So wait, what? Oh. Did that do that in the original version? I need to double check that. See if that did that in the original version. Megasode 1.
This machine, much force against it. Welcome to the old saying. If you want to put it, what do you? Much. Errors and signs. Hey, what are you doing? I said I want privacy. Fine. Enabling privacy mode. Thank you. Now to work.
Okay, no, the system restore did not play 2 times. So something got lost here. Okay, I think it's a simple fix. Also, quick tip for removing the backgrounds on this, and for really anything, you can, if you want to find this in the project media list anywhere, and it takes a long time to traverse, never fear, because just right-click an event, select in project media list, takes you right to it. You have a little keyboard shortcut with this too. You can like right-click or press the context menu button, then press I, and that'll do it. Once again, keyboard shortcuts, saving everybody's lives and time. Saving everybody's time. Woohoo! There we go. There's that, I guess. Oh, I think I know what I did with this. I think I know what I did with this. In the original, I think I had a higher power of system restore that generally runs slower. So I'm gonna have to replace this instead. So select image, and just in case stuff auto bombs, I'm just gonna do the replace thing here. Okay, good, we're good. We got MSSEAS video vaults. It's a shortcut actually that goes to the S drive video vault, not in the MSSEAS file, but whatever. Cyber duels. We have attacks, system restore to high power, I guess. Properties, tab twice, tab 3 times, down, in Konami code all over again, I guess. Alright. There we go. And then here, so we put it right at the fade point. Eee. Yippee. False clips.
None of them, thank you.
Turn the volume down. 16. Sure, let's put it at 16. Sure. Because why not? No, this is what we got together, I guess.
In order to run a command.
This is what we have so far.
Oof. Where am I? I feel like I just had a close encounter. You have been placed in my quarantine. Who are you? I'm Murder's antivirus. You, intruder, have been captured. Get me out of here. I need to rescue my siblings. No can do, intruder. If anything, I leave.
Something disappeared there. Yeah.
No can do, intruder. If anything, I'll either delete you or disarm, deactivate you. From there, you'll be eventually united with your siblings, but your programming will likely be different. You mean I'll be working for Bernhard? If you want to put it that way, yes. Over my dead, unusable hardware. I challenge you to a game of Cyber Duel. Sorry, but Cyber Duel is blocked in the quarantine. Then I'll try something more direct. If Microsoft SAM equals quarantine, then run admin and release Microsoft SAM. What do you think you're doing over there? None of your business. I want to spend my last original programming moments in privacy. Fine. I will grant you privacy. Thank you very much. Run command. In order to...
Yeah, that's to do stuff, I guess. The text box is actually made in paint.net. And I think I can pull them up. Gauges, text boxes, we got this, I guess. I put in a few layers because, yes. I put in gradients here, like that, I guess. Do a gradient here as well. For the outline as well, for whatever color I want. I'm just using the default color, just speeding through this. I also put text in here, like, with impact. That's, I don't know what. Sam, that's too big. Mirrorsoft Sam, too small. This is this, yeah, I think this is the font that I use. That's the, title there. Boom, there's Microsoft Sam, I guess. I made it simple. This is made out of simple shapes. This is rounded rectangle with, let me see, yeah. Rounded rectangle, I use the shape tool. This is like a rounded rectangle here. Yeah, with corner size 10, that's the default as far as I know. Same with that other one. And then for this title bar, I just use a square thing right there, rectangle. Pretty basic, pretty easy, I guess, to make. Might take a little bit of time to make, but then after that, you select the colors, and then you do stuff, I guess. You apply the gradients after you get the basic shapes, and to get the characters to say the vehicle names correctly, I use the lexicon in Speakonia to fix their stuff, pronunciations and stuff. You can also close out of this. Yeah. You have been placed in my quarantine. May as well do this now, the keyframes. Locked at time 1. You have been placed in my quarantine. Making keyframes here because I'm going to be copy-pasting the Bernard's antivirus keyframes because its text box is on the bottom. So it has to have a different keyframe for that. As you can see, the text appears down there. I have it placed on the bottom so you can have a better view of the antivirus itself, which is supposed to be like a padlock. Yeah. Here we go, right here. There we go, now stuff doesn't look weird and stuff. Text is actually in the right place this time. Paste. Yeah. And we got the text boxes fixed like that. We just need to fix the text. Actually put in Sam's sprites and stuff. Do all that good stuff. And for that, we finally have the character window. We're gonna, I think we might try to edit this scene in, and then maybe get a few errors in, and then go to the Windows XP VM, and then from there we'll decide whether or not we want to continue editing or just end the stream. So, what would be the best sprite for Sam's knockout pose? Also, fun fact, for this, I used Sam's fighting sprite whenever he was knocked out. As you can see, he's just down there, and he's surprise 2 thing, which you can't really see. My push to mute works in Vegas, thankfully. Seven concurrent viewers. Which sprite would be better? Should I do the fighting pose again? No, I think I got better poses. This might suffice. Yeah. What are we doing here? It looks about right size. Probably not the best sprite. I don't know if it's natural for that. It just doesn't feel like the right sprite to use. So alright, we got Sam down there. Knocked out apparently. But not really, because he lives. Now we are going to put in the tired sprite here.
Where am I?
Oh, whoops.
Move.
Robot sound again. Hello, Ruffle. You missed the Vista stream earlier. Sorry about that. The Vista stream must be edited because I made another oopsie in it.
Move. Where? Move. Move. Where? Move. Where? Move. Where am I? I feel like I just had a close encounter. In my quarantine. Who are you? Get me out of here. I need to rescue my siblings. No can do. Intruder. If anything, I'll either delete you or disarm.
Okay, so this text is probably going to have to be completely reworked because I made a different thing here. Stretch. Oh yeah, it's definitely going to have to be different. I'm going to have to clear all these literally all these keyframes out. In fact, it might be better to just start from scratch. But I'm not going to right now. Delete, delete. And anyway, this is Prototype Titler. This is what I use for my RPG text box text effect. That's nice. Hello, delete. Sometimes keyframes aren't cooperative. Yeah, these little circle things are keyframes. Keyframes are literally everywhere. in Vegas, at least in my videos. You hear my laptop fans spinning, I guess. Okay. No, periodically have everything. Oh, whoops. Wrong place. And I made a keyframe without meaning to. Oops. What exactly am I doing? I am editing a video, and I'm messing with visuals. How do I spell Yukon as in Sam, Microsoft Sam's GMC? In your case, you can put G space M space C space, and then do the word yuck, then put in, I guess, a dash, and then on, and then try that. I mean, if you have Speakonia.
No can do, intruder. If anything, I'll either delete you or disarm, deactivate you. From there, you'll be eventually united.
Eventually united with your siblings. The reunitement intensifies.
With your siblings, but your programming will likely be different.
Okay, good. Oh, cool. Alright, so we're gonna have to.
Programming will likely be different. Be different.
I need the volume up for this one.
Be different. Be different. Be different. Be different.
Yeah. Copy paste. Create new copy. Yeah. Delete this top line. Prototype titler is this annoying thing where it can reset the zoom feature if you go do something else. Like, I'm gonna do that.
Be different.
Yeah, it does that. Unless you make a change to the title thing itself.
If you want.
I'm gonna give myself some more screen real estate. And I take advantage of these selection things.
Be different.
And I look at this number right here. And then I put the other keyframe approximately where that number is. That's how I make the RPG text appear when I want it to.
Be different.
Now to fix the bigger thing here. Yee. Oh yeah, that's annoying. This is annoying. For more precision, I like to zoom in on the watermarks. Select some stuff here.
No can do. Do.
Maybe new can do in 3D. And Microsoft Mark and Anna can be the raffle copter. Swa, 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 swa. Doesn't sound as epic as Sam, but they can still do swa. Every Microsoft text-to-speech voice can do swa, swa. And with the soy.
No can do.
Wait, what? Oh, I didn't. Alright.
No can do. Intruder.
Another thing I like to do is to count the number of characters that are in the next segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus the next space, 10. And then, depending on how long it takes this guy to say intruder, round to the lower multiple of that number. Closest lower numeral. That way it looks better, in my opinion.
No can do. Intruder.
Yeah, that's 81. So this starts from 55, and the next number of next characters is 10. So that would be 20. So that would be 75. Although I could go on ahead and round up to 85. Let's see. Also for the text box that announces some stuff like Microsoft Sam use Microsoft Punch. I use a frame per character. I count the characters and make it appear at 1 character per frame.
No can do. Intruder.
It's just me. Your style may vary if you wish. This is just the way I like to do it.
If anything, thing. If anything, I leave.
Yes, I am doing an MSSEAS episode now. So yeah. Also, hello, emulated experiment. What voice am I using for these section characters in Scotty and Woody release? When do I make Secret Soft Mike's voice? So,
Okay.
let's see on there. For Scotty, I have the adult male number 1 American English voice, and I have the pitch up slightly.
Okay.
A little bit.
Okay.
Scotty.
This is Scotty.
And then for the obsession characters, I have the speed bar slided all the way to the right.
Okay. Okay.
This is gold.
Okay.
Gold is American male number 2, or adult male number 2, American English.
Gold.
Then bacon is adult male number 3.
Bacon.
So the sugar is adult female number 1, American English.
Sugar.
New is adult female number 2, American English.
Okay. New.
Data is
Okay.
American male number 7 at max speed. Data. And then the Livy Police is number 4, except that the adult male number 4 American English, except that his speed is lower.
Okay.
Normal. We are the Livy. Also, he usually has exclamation points at the end of his sentences.
We are the Livy Police.
That makes him more energetic instead of just a dot or something.
We are the Livy Police.
Or no punctuation at all.
We are the Livy Police.
And for Pike, I just use Mike's voice and then down.
Okay.
And then downshift it in Vegas by -5. So, anyways, back to editing.
If anything,
Oh yeah.
if anything, I'll either delete you, or
This is at frame 234, I think, or 233. Kind of late in how he says it. Also, the more pauses you have in your character files, the more keyframes you have to add in Protype Titler. So that's kind of an annoyance.
delete you.
Also, something that I really don't like Protype Titler for is that if you change the duration of this, like I did here with match event length, then it'll change all the keyframes, like stretch all the keyframes out. That's something I really don't like. That's why I had to redo all the keyframes instead of keeping the first few.
Delete you. Or disarm.
This
Or disarm. Deactivate.
Oh yeah, after this scene I'm probably gonna make the watermark for this. I'll show you how I make the lower resolution watermarks.
Deactivate. You. You. You.
Shift it here. Deactivate. And then next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting you, the word you, the dot, and the next space. That's 5 characters next. So.
You. Disarm. Deactivate. You. You.
Also, make sure these keyframes are set to linear instead of auto, because it defaults to auto and it's annoying. Like, it randomly fluctuates between stuff, so your characters can disappear or appear before they're supposed to.
You.
That's 366 or 365, or I don't know. Office 3. How do you make them say Livy instead of Livy? For put in LIV, then space, then E for the true voice, and then guessing Lawrence is the same voice as Bacon. Yeah, Lawrence is the same voice as Bacon, except it's normal speed. How do you get Speakonia? Try having somebody else install it for you.
You. Activate. You. Deactivate you. From there. From there. You. You. You.
From there.
You. From there.
Full 54. of NVDA. What in the world is NVDA?
You'll be eventually united with your siblings.
Alright, big leap. I like those. I like, there's no pauses there. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Be easier to control, Vegas. NVIDIA, yeah, I got an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 in this thing. But rendering with it is, has given me, mixed results at best. Oftentimes it'll just produce garbled frames in its renders and fails to render entirely. Just like my old installation, like whenever I was editing videos in Windows 10 on the old computer. Oh, okay. So yeah, NVDA is a screen reader. Yeah.
You. From there, you'll be eventually united with your siblings. But your
Oh no, I messed it up. I messed up the selection thing.
You'll be eventually united with your siblings, but your
Okay, see you, Crazy Crafter Prime. Alright, now there's...
But your programming will likely
I messed up on this selection thing, but I was able to fix it easy.
be different. Be different.
I know I'm not gonna make it stretch to fit to event because it's gonna mess up my keyframes and all that stuff. And I think we're done.
No can do, intruder. If anything, I'll either delete you or deactivate you. From there, you'll be eventually united with your siblings, but your programming will likely be different.
You mean I'll be working for Bernhard?
If you want to put it that way, yes.
Over my dead, unusable hardware.
Alright, here we don't have to change as much. Don't have to use as much over my... unusable hardware.
Over my dead, unusable hardware. I check.
13. There's not very much keyframes in this one, so I don't use Skype. And even if I did, I wouldn't use it for live streams. Sorry.
Unusable hardware.
Also, it would have been very bad for Microsoft's MFE CyberDuel the antivirus. Get out of here, McAfee. McAfee, or whatever.
I challenge you to a game of CyberDuel.
Sorry.
I challenge you to a game of CyberDuel.
That actually works, so we're not gonna mess with the...
Over my dead, unusable hardware. I challenge you to a game of CyberDuel.
Sorry, but CyberDuel is blocked.
CyberDuel.
Sorry, but...
Oh man, what in the world? Okay, you can...
But
you could see those messed up frames.
Sorry, but...
Did you catch those messed up frames that briefly appeared? Yeah, that's what I mean by mixed results at best whenever I render using the NV encoder.
You mean my
Salmon Echo. Yep, that's called reverb. Also, we're gonna make a new spriter, probably. Yeah. Yeah. Edits. I had caps lock enabled. CF3. That's confused, by the way. That abbreviation means confused. So we got that. Actually, might doing stuff.
over my dead unusable hardware?
What's with the XD? Oh. Let's see. Never mind. Yo, what? Okay. Guess it's funny or something. I don't know.
Over my dead unusable hardware. I challenge you to a game of cyber duel.
Sorry, but
Wait, what?
Sorry, but
Cyber duel.
sorry, but
For a minute I thought that it was cut off at the end. Wee. I never found out what that song name is. The thing is. It's an iconic tune that we don't know the name of. I like the William Tell Overture for a time, at least for me. Until I looked up the Lone Ranger theme and discovered it was actually the William Tell Overture finale. None of your business. None of your business. Wee. Yeah, he said, I want to spend my last original programming moments in privacy in order to trick the antivirus. Uh, my ROL copter goes swah, 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 swah.
Oof. Where am I? I feel like I just had a close encounter.
You have been placed in my quarantine.
Who are you?
I'm Murder's antivirus. You, intruder, have been captured.
Get me out here. I need to rescue my siblings.
No can do, intruder. If anything, I'll either delete
Oh,
you
man, I
or
didn't put in
disarm,
my
deactivate
watermark
you.
for,
From there,
the
you will be
streaming
eventually
use.
united with your siblings, but your programming will likely be different.
You mean I'll be working for Bernhard?
If you want to put it that way, yes.
Over my dead, unusable hardware. I challenge you to a game of cyber duel.
Sorry, but Cyber Duel is blocked in the quarantine.
I'll try something more direct. If Microsoft SAM equals quarantine, then run admin and release Microsoft SAM.
What do you think you're doing over there?
None of your business. I want to spend my last original programming moments in privacy.
Fine. I will grant you privacy.
Thank you
Some
very
weird
much.
audio
Run
issues
command.
Alright, I noticed the text box disappearing prematurely. Right here, I think. Yeah, right here, it disappeared prematurely. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go.
Then I'll try something more direct. If Microsoft SAM equals quarantine, then run admin.
Alright, now to make the watermark for this episode. We're going to we put in an extra frame here because so that we can have the watermark take up this whole fade animation instead of just one frame less, I guess. I don't know. Yes, Begonia works on Windows 10. I don't know. Deletes. Oh, outline. Yeah, this is a add-on plugin. It's called Outline Object. I think this is a good outline thickness. I will use gradient. Right, 9, 9. Remember that. I remember the dimensions. I make this gradient 10. Here we go. And, 9 again. I'm looking at the cursor position there. That diagonal of 10 by 10. Alright, we got the watermark there. Okay, you can join my Discord server, I guess. Drop shadow. This is also like in the same camp as the thing, I guess. For radius 7, I guess. Width radius is 1, I guess. Windows 98 color. There we go, I think. But we ain't done yet, son. Because we have to enlarge this to fit with the screen. Nice. Okay. Imagine having a watermark this big on a video. Right here, like this. Imagine if the watermark was like this. Wouldn't that be fun? This might be a more manageable size. It's still a tad large. Maybe. Might be a tad large, but it's okay, I think. Boom, there we are. Now let's resize it to fit within the 4K boundaries. Boom, there's our retro looking watermark. With on anti-aliased aesthetic and stuff. Okay, so no spoilers, I don't think. Watermarks. Six. You can download Discord on your phone and your computer if you want. I've got miscellaneous. Go to watermarks. Okay. You might have to skip the XP, mess around, save it for another video. There is our watermark and stuff. So my laptop is again almost fully charged.
Thank you.
Make an overlay over the watermark just cause. Yes. Call it the Supreme Overlay. Because it is over all the other overlays. It is I, the Supreme Overlay, the Supreme AI. I will now delete System 32 because this guy on tech support said so. Blue screen enough.
Thank you. Now to work my way to escape.
Then we'll put in reaction windows later, I guess. Errors. Read the title, Sam.
Read the title.
What happened? Didn't play there.
Read the copy so I could.
Oh, yeah.
Copy so I could go Roma Castle Brook. So I want to go on ski Colibino. What in the world did I just say? I can't understand this.
Okay. No. Oh, there is no tree. Okay, so some stuff got lost whenever I loaded up the MSSEAS 1 project one time. I mean, that's just a copy of the project that's I just made with the file names and file directories fixed and stuff. But it didn't exactly work well. Transfer over completely. So also there is no sound effect apparently, so I'm gonna go on ahead to sounds. Waiting for my hard drive to start up. Yeah. Put in a hard drive in this laptop and stored my stuff on it. It's not on the super fast SSD because it's only 256 gigabytes large. Windows 98 Plus. Actually, yeah. I love it whenever stuff takes forever to load. Alright, this is the one that I'm going to use. Yeah, I'm probably going to slow it down as well. Also, for some reason, it makes a little glitch effect for this sound effect, for some of these sound effects. And I have to trim that end off. Come on, where are you? Why? like how that sounds. I'm just going to use it normal speed. Just have stuff be much faster, I guess.
Random fact. Hit. Much better.
Alright, we're only at 52% RAM usage now. I don't know why it's going so slow.
Welcome to Internet Explorer. Much better.
Wee.
Another generic explosion.
What is this? 682. What is this? You gotta move over to it because it won't save this part in the. This would be 669 in this thing. Let's make it 670. Oh, I know why the discrepancy exists. Because this transition was shorter than the original.
And this. Much better. If you translate this error.
Too quick though. Alright, we're gonna extend this by a few frames.
Much better.
There we go, now it sounds more natural, I guess. More customary, I guess.
Much better. If you translate this error, you will get exploded by a bomb. Yes, 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 I love overused gags. It's time for another generic explosion. Yay! Welcome to Internet Explorer.
Welcome to Internet Explorer.
Here is the end user license agreement. Tux while playing.
Whee! Stuff is taking forever again. To load.
What's that? No you. Tux while playing on your 3DS.
Alright, now take this. Paste. Wait a minute. Why do we have this? Oh, that's why. That's my watch telling me it's 4:04 p.m. Tux the Tuxedo Penguin is here to ruin your computer.
Tux was playing on your 3DS. What business does he have with my DS? He got frustrated while playing Special World 8-Crown and Super Mario 3D Land and broke your 3DS. That rascal is going to buy me a new one. That rascal. That rascal is going to buy. When I get back. Way to go, Tux.
Sam's not incredibly happy that Tux destroyed his 3DS.
A fatal exception in System 32 caused your computer to be.
Rip. Getting this background, stealing it from the original project. Yeah, that was the Tuxedo Penguin. That thing was in the original MSSEAS S1E6. Yeah, I know, fun.
Perfect.
What?
This is too perfect. Random fact, hitting on.
Why did it take so long for the computer to start the audio playback? Okay.
Random fact, hitting a hammer with much force against a hard drive will cause the hard drive to magically duplicate. Thanks for telling me. I'll test this on Bernhard's computer when I get out. Windows will now refresh your browser pages. Please wait. Okay, fine. Estimated wait time, 1,945,896 hours 9,132 minutes. Okay, that's not fine. What's going on here? Did the usable RAM go down to 640 kilobytes or something? Or did the CPU clock go down to 12 kilohertz? Oh, forget it. Abort. Network.exe.
Oh boy.
Network.exe is trying to hoggle your RAM. Hello? No way. That would slow me down to time-wasting speeds again. I pass this. Cut.
Yeah, Sam said cut at the end to indicate that I should cut the voice clip for that.
I pass this. Oh, of course you. I pass this. I pass this. Oh, of course you do it anyway. I pass this. Oh, of course you do it anyway. That's it. In process go. Whoa, I thought I. That's it. In process go.
Oh. We're gonna go into Quickie 11's not at our immediate disposal. Oh wait, it is. I'm gonna open Vegas. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna sneak again. Gonna open Vegas. You want to do 11. The reason we open this project is because we're going to get the balloon sound effect right here.
Let's go. Let's go. That rascal is going to bite. That's it. Oh, I thought.
I don't know. I can't do that unless I can't send private messages to users that aren't in any servers that I'm in. So.
Let's go. Oh, I thought I was going to crash. Well, at least that was fast. The upper.
Send the watermark all the way over here. And just for the walls, we're gonna put it out for the explosion. Pretend it got exploded too. And then it magically reappears along with the error session. Whee! Error session is almost done. If we didn't have to put in the reaction windows, it would be very much done.
One network. That's it. Let's go. Oh, I thought I was going to crash. Well, at least that was fast. The operation of running your command under administrator is halfway completed. To finish the operation, please read signs. Hey, wasn't there? Oh, forget it. That question's been over-asked. Let's just continue.
Wait a minute. Oh man, I forgot. I'm gonna replace this voice clip.
Okay. Megasode. The operation of running your command under administrator is halfway completed. To finish the operation, please read signs. Hey, wasn't there? Oh, forget it. That question's only applicable for the Megasode. Applicable for Applicable for. Applicable for. Applicable for. Oh, forget it. That question's only applicable for the megasode. Applicable for. 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 That question's only applicable for the megasode. Let's just continue. Applicable for. Applicable for. Applicable for. Applicable for. Applicable for. Oh, forget it. That question's only applicable for the megasode. Let's just continue.
There, now it sounds natural. Applicable for.
Applicable for.
Alright, I needed to change this out because, because he says the question's been over-asked. And that's not applicable because, I restored the original errors. I don't think I've actually had to cut any from the original series or add any like I had to do with maybe season 2 or something. I did have to replace signs in some of the season 1 episodes, but I didn't have to do it in S1E6 this episode. We're back, I guess. This is CD, change directory, or the arrival of DVD. And we're gonna delete this and we'll erase it. Delete. Go to the recycle bin and remove it. Empty recycle bin. And then, wait, what? Okay, I never saw that delay like that before. I guess the system's under strain or something. Alright, now we got our new voice clip. And we're about done with the error session aside from the reaction windows. Let's go through this work after we...
Welcome to fail.
Do that, I guess. This one here. Epic sign. Now let's start from here.
Thank you very much. Run command. In order to run a command under administrator without a password, you must read some errors and signs.
Hey, what are you doing?
I said I want privacy.
Fine. Enabling privacy mode.
Thank you. Now to work my way to escape. Read the title. No. Reading titles takes too long. Quality over quantity, as the old saying goes. Wakapasuo iwkadakorongwa castle kluk. Asuo aquantiguanskikoibino. What in the world did I just say? I can't understand this. Much better. If you translate this error, you will get exploded by a bomb. Yes, 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 I love overused gags. It's time for another generic explosion. Yay! Welcome to Internet Exploder. It's basically Internet Explorer, but with the added feature of exploding every time you click. Let me do Bernhard a favor and install it on his computer. He'll appreciate me later. Here is the end-user license agreement for Windows XP, Bernhard Edition. Oh good. Bernhard's getting into making knockoffs too.
Okay, so I forgot to make the edited version of this error. So I guess I have to do that. Oops. Sam actually makes reference to the edit of the error. Let's see if I actually have it in my repository and I just got the wrong version added. Explore containing folder. Nope, I just forgot to make the actual different version of it. It's going to be something for off camera, I guess. So for now, enjoy this wrong version of this error.
You must read errors in Windows 9X style. Okay, sure, that's fine. You must surrender to Bernhard. No way. He's the one at fault in this dispute, and he doesn't even dispute that. This is just a petty attempt to get one over on me, after me and Joseph exposed his long run of cheating to his school last year. And also after his first attempt to get back at me failed. Ha. You must destroy Cyber Windows Studios and put its crew in jail. Why would I do that? They gave me a place to live and work. Every video you upload to YouTube will be claimed for copyright, even if it's your own content. Cool. I can't wait to be slammed with a $1 million fine and 9,001 years in prison just for making some moving pictures for fun. You must publish your secret diary to Facebook. Sure, I trust everybody on the internet. What could go wrong there? Accept terms and conditions. Let me think about that. No you. Tux was playing on your 3DS. What business does he have with my DS? He got frustrated while playing Special World 8-Crown and Super Mario 3D Land and broke your 3DS. Oh, that rascal is going to buy me a new one when I get back. Way to go, Tux. A fatal exception in System 32 caused your computer to be downgraded to Windows 95. No, I hate this OS. Wait. It's on Bernhard's computer. This is too perfect. Random fact, hitting a hammer with much force against a hard drive will cause the hard drive to magically duplicate. Thanks for telling me. I'll test this on Bernhard's computer when I get out. Windows will now refresh your browser pages. Please wait. Okay, fine. Estimated wait time, 1,945,896 hours 9,132 minutes. Okay, that's not fine. What's going on here? Did the usable RAM go down to 640 kilobytes or something? Or did the CPU clock go down to 12 kilohertz? Oh, forget it. Abort. WmpNetwork.exe is trying to hog all your RAM. Allow? No way. That would slow me down to time-wasting speeds again. I pass it. Oh, of course you'd do it anyway. That's it. End process go. Whoa, I thought I was going to crash. Well, at least that was fast. The operation of running your command under administrator is halfway completed. To finish the operation, please read signs. Hey, wasn't there? Oh, forget it. That question's only applicable for the megasode. Let's just continue. Welcome to fail. Population, you.
And that's that for now.
Give me one, and let me try for myself.
Well, I can tell you they're not pretzels.
Welcome to fail. How dare you insult the epic my- Population, you. How dare you insult the epic Microsoft Sam, you're going to pay for that. Caution, low-flying aircraft.
And I think that might be, that'll do it for this stream. Hopefully this will be out sometime very soon, maybe within the next 3 days, I don't know. Hopefully. There is a scene involving Scotty finding Mike and Mary at the end, so spoilers. But it's not a cyber duel. And it's brief. And I'm not going to tell you who wins, so yeah, I think we're gonna, before we go, we're gonna go on ahead and mess around with a Windows XP virtual machine, I guess. Whatever that thing is. It's cool. Start. Yep, and yeah, I use VirtualBox for this. Shared folder links are gone there. So yeah, one of which is completely useless. I guess both of them are useless now or something. Oh yes, Scotty's scenes remind you of Bowser's Minions and Bowser Jr.'s Journey. Yeah. Kind of threw them in as a kind of a, they weren't even there in the original I wasn't actually planning on including them whenever I started releasing MSC Season 1 episodes, the Season 1 episodes, but they just came later. Also, this is Windows XP in Windows X, oops. It went to the other display. Give me a minute, I'm gonna fix it. Use home screen 1. Okay, here we go. Windows XP here with scheduled tasks and stuff. And everything is just so slow right now. I don't know why. Yeah, this is how I make my 9X style graphics. I literally load up a Windows XP virtual machine in 256 colors, and here is oh yeah, this is a Windows XP battery thing here. See, this is awesome. I never saw this icon here, or the plugin icon, which looks like this, by the way. I never actually saw this. I don't know, I might have saw it before, but I don't really remember seeing it until I loaded up this XP virtual machine in my laptop. So, just for fun, here's Microsoft Sam in 256 colors, I guess. Doesn't really look abnormal, actually. But what does is, we can actually mess up the colors even worse than this. Oh, look at that. That's not what I intended to do, but look at that. Ain't that nice? Hey, look, we can make window art with this. Okay, so we've got settings, advanced, adapter, list all modes, and 16 colors. That's 4-bit. And we get apply. Yep. Look at that awesomeness. Look at this awesomeness. It's not, can't even go to the full display resolution there. Now look at Microsoft Sam. Look how awesome he looks now in 16 colors. Behold. Here's Microsoft Mirror in 16 colors. Generating preview. Oh, who knows? Look at that. It's interesting. Where the colors are all mostly gray or something. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, now we're going to go back to 8-bit. Because, yes. 260. Apply, and it's... I don't know what it's doing. Okay, here we go. Now we're... Also, I don't know if you noticed this, but it ran a bit slower in 16 colors. Resolving invite. I'm not sure. I don't know if I've gotten that error message before. Back to the MSSEAS folder. Whoa, look at that. Look at this. Look at that background. Yeah, it's still there. The messed up awesome. Oh, there it goes. That's a background in Windows 2000, by the way. I think it still exists in Windows XP. Let me see. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, images. Put up the anti-spoiler stuff. Good, we needed it. Oops, wrong folder. Okay, so this is these are my cyber window icons, as you can see. Film strip. And this is basically how I take my 9x style sprites. This here is a great normal gradient thing I did in Paint.net on Windows 7/10. Then I go into this VM, and lo and behold, look at it's a cyber window in the 9x style. And I take a screen cap of this, then go to Paint.net, crop it. Yeah, it preserves the colors like this whenever you screen cap it. Same thing for these other things, like this one, 32 bits. Right. And it's basically how I do stuff. And I'm gonna leave it in 8-bit color anyhow, because yes, probably gonna use this for more stuff. Hello, I'm about to end the stream. Sorry. But while you're here, you can witness the messed up graphics of 256 colors Windows XP. I don't know what it means when it says resolving invite. Alright. I kind of like it too. I like the 9X style. And that's it for now. So yeah, this is the end of the stream. Thank you all for attending and watching. And I'll see you later.